Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to see the news on IPL T20 schedule. So it was a long wait. Uh, Actually, the IPL T20 is about to begin on March 29 this year, but it got postponed to April 15. Then again, it got suspended indefinitely due to the crisis caused by the COVID-19. So actually, it was a long wait, and currently we got a news is like so August 2nd we can expect the IPL T20 schedule. So because on August 2 when the governing council is going to get meted, so it's like during that meet they're gonna finalize the schedule of the tournament and other important arrangements to host the tournament in UAE. Yes, so this year they plan to host the T20 tournament in UAE. So United Arab Emirates. So also another interesting thing is like it's not only about the IPL schedule. So because as we know, like due to this COVID-19, so we have lot of things to be considered, like the quarantine period. So how the operation is gonna proceed. So like what are the training facilities? So what about the traveling arrangements? So whether the franchise will be taking care of the things or the IPL. So everything will be decided during that meet. So it's expected to get some huge conclusion through that meet. So apart from deciding the schedule, the governing council meeting will discuss the logistical issues, including standard operating procedures to create quarantine facilities, biosecure training facilities, and traveling arrangements of the players, match officials, and others. So these are the things to be come out during the August 2nd. So this is what expected. So that's what so actually August 2nd will be the conclusion. So the reason why the IPL T20 is coming this year is because the World T20 World Cup, so it got postponed. So by considering this break, so IPL is gonna get utilized. So expected date is between September 19 to November 8. So let's see so how it goes. So also there was another thing is like so the ECB Secretary General Mubashir Usmani was quoted saying like, we have received the official letter and now wait on the decision from the Indian government which will ink the final deal. So actually they're just waiting for the Indian government's approval to host the IPL and to release all the details like the schedule and the steps. So August 2nd, which we can expect the IPL T20 schedule. So it's interesting to just move on. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. So please like, subscribe and share this video. Also click on the bell icon. Thank you.